So as a lot of us know, the earnings call for AMC is going to be on Monday, August 9th, and there's a lot of positive expectations floating around earnings, not only because the pandemic is opening up, people are feeling good about going to the movies again, but summer blockbusters are absolutely setting post-pandemic records and things look very good. So let's talk about some of my expectations for the earnings call, but not only my expectations, let's talk about your expectations as well. Because if you guys didn't know by now, Adam Aron is going to be fielding questions from retail investors, and you already have access to these questions if you go to the link that Adam Aron sent out. So let's go over a couple of those, and of course, if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. All right, so we've got some positive expectations coming over for AMC Stock's earnings call on Monday, August 9th. Let's just look at some analyst expectations here and go over these first before we jump into some of the questions. So analysts are expecting an EPS result, that is an earnings per share result, of a loss of 93 cents per share. You might think, oh, but a loss isn't good. How is it good if AMC posts a loss for the quarter? Well, guys, a year ago, the loss was $5.38. So this would be a drastic increase in the earnings for AMC as a company. This indicates that the company is getting back to the pre-pandemic levels, that things are looking good, and that it can continue to thrive post-pandemic. Now, if we go and we look at revenue expectations, this has everything to do with how much money AMC is able to bring in from all of the blockbusters that we've been seeing over the last quarter. And analysts are currently estimating that we're going to see revenue of $375.28 million. Excellent. This is an increase of, it's a dramatic increase. I don't have the year ago sales on here, but it's a great increase from the previous quarter and from the previous year, because it indicates that people are going to the movie theaters. Now, with that said, should we solely be focused on fundamentals of AMC? I'm going to be the first to tell you, absolutely not. We are not investing in AMC because of its fundamentals. We are not investing in AMC because of its growth. We are not investing in AMC because of their future opening and increase in revenue or anything like that. We are investing in AMC to watch the short squeeze happen. All right, if we're looking at fundamentals, AMC is not currently worth the $33 per share that it's trading at. It would be worth less. But to a person interested in the short squeeze, it is worth much. Does anybody have anticipations of AMC squeezing to a price higher than $30? I would hope so. Let us know down in the comments below if you believe that AMC is going to squeeze higher than $33 per share. Everybody's going to agree that it's going to squeeze higher than $30 a share, and that is exactly why we're here. So although expectations are looking good, what can we actually expect from the earnings call? Because we know all the time that analysts' expectations, we either beat them or we miss them. And based on that, will we see AMC stock fall if we miss expectations? Will we see AMC stock rise if we beat expectations? You know, I'm going to answer the question with a no, because I truly believe that everybody that's buying AMC right now is buying it for the hype, the attention, and the fact that it can squeeze. We're not buying AMC based on its increase in revenue, based on its increase in earnings per share, and there are even the retail investors out there that are day trading AMC. The institutional investors are certainly not investing in the fundamentals of AMC. So the volatility play is what is drawing a lot of day traders and a lot of institutional high-frequency traders. So the whole notion of AMC doing well fundamentally basically just backs up the fact that we're not facing bankruptcy. And that is the most important thing that we can see in AMC stock from their earnings call, is that we are nowhere near bankruptcy. We are out of the woods. We are doing very well. Revenue is increasing. Everything looks great. Yes, the shorts want the stock to go bankrupt. We know that. They know that. And if the stock is not going to go bankrupt, what are they shorting AMC for at this point? I guess they might want to see fundamentals and the price meet back up, but it's a bad idea on their part. It's a bad idea to bet against AMC at this point. So what should we expect from the earnings call? Whether we beat or we miss expectations, that's going to be okay. We're going to hear a lot from the executive team about a lot of good things. First and foremost, we're going to hear how well AMC is doing, how the transition is going, how their fundamentals are strengthening, how the balance sheet is strengthening, how they're able to go out and acquire new theaters. Adam Aron is a very good CEO in the aspect that he cares about saving AMC as a company. Does he care about the short squeeze? No, but he does care about saving AMC as a company, and he is doing just that. So we're going to be hearing a lot of that. We're going to hear a lot of good things surrounding the fundamentals and a lot of good things surrounding the future for AMC stock. Now, when it comes to the questions that people are asking, the top 3 questions and the top 3 most repeated questions on that website, I'm not going to link it. I don't want you guys to go trust anybody else's links out there. If somebody's going to be telling you to go sign up for a broker or to go type in your password to your brokerage account, do not trust anybody's links. If they link it in the description of their YouTube channel, if they tweet it out, whatever, just go directly to Adam Aron's Twitter if you want to view these questions for yourself. But the top 3 questions are, at this point, we can still vote on these questions to upvote or downvote them and so on and so forth. But the top 3 questions are, will AMC be issuing a dividend soon? Will AMC be partnering with GameStop to show, I don't know, like live gaming scenarios and so on? And will AMC be thinking about acquiring or bringing back drive-ins, especially due to social distancing regulations and potentially, more COVID coming our way? So these are good questions, guys. These are good questions. I'm going to go ahead. Listen, I don't work for the executive team at AMC, but I'm going to field the dividend question right now. It is very difficult to pay a dividend as a company if you don't have the money to pay the dividend. I do not believe that AMC is in the position yet that they can issue a dividend. It would be great if they could, but you need to have some sort of earnings in order to decide what to do with it. When you've got those earnings, you got a choice. You can put them in retained earnings and grow the company, or you can pay them out to investors and in the form of a dividend and generate that income for your investors. Unfortunately, AMC is not in the position right now that they can go ahead and pay a dividend. So although it's an excellent question, I believe that it would be very good for investors, and the fact that it would be very good for, shorts to have that added pressure of paying those dividends that they're shorting the company with, or paying those dividends that they're shorting those shares with, and, that's just added pressure to them. And the more pressure we can add to the shorts, the absolute better. As far as the GameStop and stuff, I'm going to leave those up to the executive team at AMC, right? I have no idea what their plans are with AMC or with GameStop. I would love to see some sort of collaboration between the two, but we have to just wait and see what they're willing to do with that. And then also, man, you guys do come up with some good alternatives to going to the movies with drive-in theaters and so on and so forth. Everything's outside. You're in your own car with your own family. I mean, I love the questions that I see on that site. Make sure, guys, that you go check that out. Vote if you wish. If you trust the website with your brokerage password and all of that stuff, absolutely. But at least go check out the questions and see what people are talking about when it comes to the earnings call so that you are prepared. And guys, if you want to check out the earnings call live, we will be streaming it on this channel. So make sure to check that out. It's going to be on Monday, August 9th. So tune back in if you want to watch it here. If you want to watch it with somebody else, I'm sure all the other AMC, I'm pretty sure they still cover AMC at this point, right? Maybe they shifted their focus back. Yeah, make sure to go check it out with one of those guys that does overall stock market education, who also talk about AMC. You can check it out there as well. And yeah, I'm pretty sure. So I've got very good expectations for the earnings call. I hope you guys do as well. And no matter what happens, we're here for the short squeeze. We're not here for AMC's fundamentals. We're here to watch this stock go to obscene prices and give us the life-changing money that we're investing in right now. So never forget that, guys. Never forget that. If this red button right here is still red, subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Webull, it's no longer $5. You waited till July was over. You got to deposit $100 if you use the link in the description below for Webull. Sign up for your account. You're going to get a couple free stocks just for doing those. Sell those stocks if you want, and then, go ahead and buy AMC or whatever the heck you want. You're going to get a couple free stocks just for signing up, making that $100 deposit. ClayBro883, if you want to follow me on Twitter. There's plenty of links down in the description below as well, too, if you want to check out each and every one of those. And I'm pretty sure that sums it up, guys. So until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.